1 second, I am putting on. Whoa! Oh my god. I almost threw my GoPro.
Why?
Hey, hold on, turn towards me. Yeah, looks good. Yeah. Hold on, let me tilt it up a little bit, just a little bit. Okay. Should I start recording?
Sure.
Okay, it's recording. Is mine recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, hey.
Huh?
How's that for a view, huh?
Yep. Let's go.
How's that for a view? You're not going to get to see any of it from this video.
Actually, no, you go first so that we can look at each other. There we go.
Oh, a little bit faster than I wanted to go at the beginning. Alright.
Oh yeah, it dips down like fast now, so.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't do this part backwards.
Yeah, I don't think so. Bad idea.
Basic here, though, like push down on your right foot to turn left kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I'm doing. But I don't know. Just put my weight a little further backward. And now we stop.
Out of steam.
Alright, ready? Here we go. Backward skating. This isn't working so.
Let me try.
Yeah, nope.
This is actually kind of fun.
My legs don't do that very naturally, so.
I used to do this a ton when I was roller skating.
Ah, okay.
Ugh. I got an angle of you going past. Careful, trees.
Thank you. Yes, I see the trees.
Woo! I got scared.
Okay, that was interesting.
Record me going down. Okay.
Alright.
That was sick.
Cool.
Keep going.
Well, eventually.
No, go backward. This is easy. Go. I'm watching your toes. I'll tell you if there's something behind you.
What?
I'll tell you if there's something behind you. Just keep going.
We stopped. I'm not used to having my weight backwards because for so long it was drilled into me. Weight forward, weight forward, weight forward.
Excuse me. Is mine still recording?
Yeah.
I don't think yours is. Blue battery. Maybe you gotta lower your settings a little bit? I don't know. Needs warmth?
What?
This needs warmth, maybe?
Well, it's not gonna get it, and that's what these are designed for. That really pisses me off.
want to do Northbrook again, but like use a white battery?
I only have one.
Oh. Maybe we can try the blue again, but like I'll warm it on the way up. That might draw less battery?
I don't think so. We'll
try. Okay. Hold my pulse.
It gets the stability by...
Watch your head.
It gets the stability by cropping. So I don't think that we can do it.
Oh, we'll just try some lower settings.
Lower than what?
As in, it's on 60 FPS right now. We'll try 30. 30 is what I had yesterday, so.
Okay. I like 60 better.
I think yours was also on 30 yesterday. I switched it to 60 once it was on Pro. Okay. I'll put your screw in my pocket for now.
You don't want to put it back on?
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, no, we can put it back on. Oh, I'm putting it on backwards. Hold on. Power it off. You're set. Now give me a battery. I'm gonna warm it. You want me to hold your poles or something?
Just grab some batteries.
This one? Has this been used yet?
No.
Oh yeah, this battery is very cold. I don't think that battery pack is very insulating.
Well, it's not meant to be. It's just there to take the charge more than one at a time.
But yeah, no, this is definitely less than 10 degrees right now, this battery.
You got it in your glove or something, or what?
Yeah, yeah. I have it right next to the hand warmer. Although the hand warmer isn't very warm right now, it's good enough to. It's still insulating, that is. So like, I've got my body heat on one side, and then the hand warmer on the other. Oh, I stopped recording, right? Or is it still going?
It's still going.
Oh shit. I'm gonna stop recording real quick.